Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we will learn about how to do unit root test for panel data using eViews. When applying unit root test to panel data in eViews, we are exploring the behavior of variables that have both cross-sectional and time series dimension. Understanding unit root test for panel data is very important, such as in the field of economics, finance and some other fields. It helps us determine whether a variable has a long-term trend or if it's just a temporary fluctuation. In order to calculate unit root test for panel data, you must have panel data file saved in your eViews. Here this is our panel data. First you need to click on the variable. In order to calculate the unit root test for this panel data, you need to click on view, then click on unit root test. Here panel unit root test, we have various type of tests, like we have LLC test, some other tests like Fisher ADF. First we apply Levin-Lin-Chu test. Here we have test for unit root at level, at first difference as well as at second difference. Include in the test equation we have three options: individual intercept and trend, and none. So first LLC test, then you need to click on OK. This is the output for this test. The interpretation of data is very important. How you can interpret this result: if the p-value is less than our chosen significance level, that is 5%, we reject the null hypothesis of a unit root, suggesting stationarity. On the other hand, if the p-value is greater than 5%, we fail to reject the null hypothesis, indicating non-stationarity. So you can also apply other tests as well. You need to click on view, unit root test, then you can also choose some other test. So this is the output for this test. So like this way you can apply unit root test on your panel data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.